Hello everyone and welcome to Crowdin. Regex Content Processor is a great tool for localization managers and developers that integrate with Crowdin. It can be used to pre-process content before translation and post-process translations before consumption. There are thousands of cases where content needs to be altered using specific rules. This app provides a quick and easy way to do so. It's important to note that this app should only be installed in the Crowdin project where it will be used. Installing it in every Crowdin project brings the risk of changing content that was not intended to be changed. Let me show you how this works. To get started, go to the Crowdin store and search for Regex Content Processor. Select the project where it will be used and navigate to the Projects Tools section to create your first pre- and post-processors. Easy! The file above is a domain-specific localization format. It's not natively supported by Crowdin, but we'll pre-process it before import and post-process it after translation. This is how we will create something like a custom file format in Crowdin. The way we will help Crowdin understand this format is as follows. We'll use regular expressions to convert the contents of the file to the .ini format. We would also need to change the file name during import so that Crowdin knows it's .ini. After translation, we would have to convert back both the content structure and the file name. So when I click plus to add a new rule in the application's rules screen, I'm prompted to fill in the following information. The file name field tells the application which files I want to modify. In my case, all input files will have the extension .log. So I write a regular expression to filter all future files with the extension. Please note that this field expects a regular expression, not the wildcard as you would use in a terminal. Next, replace in asks where the replacement should take place. It's either file contents or file name. Let's pre-process the file contents first. Next are find and replace fields. I'm asked to write a regular expression for matches, and the next field tells the application how to transform the content. I've already prepared a regular expression, so I'll use it. I would actually have to do two modifications. First, there is a #include, a statement that I'm going to turn into a regular comment. Then keys and values are separated with the tab symbols. Any would require it to be the equals sign. Let's now see if I can import my .log file. Now let's go to the Crowdin editor. Looks good, awesome. My files can now be translated nicely with Crowdin. Now let's create post-export rules. Here we should make the translated file have the same configuration as the source files. Basically, convert .ini to .log format. Let's scroll down and click the plus sign to create an export rule. Now I have to match all .ini files. This is a regex for that. I do not fill in the languages dropdown, as I need this conversion to happen to all my target languages. In this rule, we'll remove the comment sign from the #include line. Then let's transform equals to tab. Note that I can't use \t in the replace field. Instead, I should put the real tab symbol. Finally, the resulting file name. Now click submit and you're done. The translated file should have the same configuration as the source files, with only the translatable text changed. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope that this has been helpful in showing you the many ways that our application can be used to pre-process your localization assets. Remember, if you need any assistance, our technical support team is always here to help. Thanks again, and happy translating!